Welcome everyone. This is Cooking with Ray's Rub. I'm gonna call this Cooking with Colt too. This is my big brother. Cooking with Colt and Ray's Rub. Some Ray's Rub. We've got some bell peppers, jalapenos, garlic, onion, Great Northern bean. Chicken, corn.
This is mine, sorry.
Okay, kill it. But thanks for tuning in. We're gonna make a delicious white chicken chili today.
National Chili Day or International Chili Day?
It's one of the two, I'm not sure. Somebody just told me that it was Chili Day, so we decided to make some chili. I'll check it out, I'll Google it.
I can look later. I'll look later.
Hey Google, is it National Chili Day?
National Chili Day.
National Chili Day is confirmed. First, we're gonna saute some onions and garlic and peppers. We've got I don't know how many quarts this is, 2 quarts? Something like that?
15 quarts.
If you watched our other video, you know I'm not really great at determining how many quarts pot. Just wanted to redeem myself. This is actually a 5-quart stock pot.
I'm gonna chop these all up.
So Colton is an expert at slicing peppers.
Am I?
Not really. He's doing a great job though. So the bag says sweet and crunchy mini peppers. So not everyone puts these in their white chicken chili, but we like to add some extra color.
Hey brother, how about you get some heat on the stove there?
Should turn the stove on. I've got a little bit of olive oil, about 1/4 cup of olive oil in the pan. Okay, so we've got all our peppers, we got some garlic, and we just threw some diced onion in there. We're gonna saute all this for about 2 or 3 minutes on high heat. So we've got the green chilies, the onions, we've got garlic. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take some rotisserie chicken.
Good.
Okay, there we go. Gonna add the chicken.
Chicken in.
And add some more, stir that up. Let me take a deep breath. A little heated, it's okay. Love my brother. We got chicken and everything in there. No, add some more. I wanna say 1/4 cup, 1/2 cup.
Yeah.
Season up the vegetables, the chicken, and boom. We're not gonna add all this. We're gonna add about 16 ounces of chicken broth. So that's about half of this. This is 32 ounces, which would be half.
16 ounces would be 2 cups.
That looks about right. We're just going on feel here.
There's also a cup in there.
Could have measured it. I don't like to measure things.
Didn't like to do that.
Recording. So we're back, brother. Say something. Help me out.
We're back. All right, we're back here. We're gonna finish this chili up. It's been about 10 minutes now since we started this simmering, and about 45 minutes to an hour since we started trying to make this video. It's caused a few fights.
He had his hand on my neck. It's all good.
In?
Yes.
Can I put these in yet? Not yet. We're gonna put in something else now, like this corn. I don't remember eating any corn.
Cream cheese.
Okay, here you go. Here's a spatula.
We're gonna.
Did you let that? Is that cold, or did you let it get to room temperature?
This is room temperature. We sat it out for a little bit. We're gonna put this in. So we've got 16 ounces of the chicken broth, and we've got our simmered vegetables and chicken, and of course the Ray's Rub. So when you put this cream cheese in, that's 8 ounces. It's an 8-ounce block of cream cheese.
I can stir the cream cheese.
It's looking really good. The chicken and the vegetables and the cream cheese, everything is in here looking great. So the last thing we're gonna wanna add here in just a minute are the beans. You're gonna wanna drain the beans out and then add those in towards the end. Yeah, it's been, oh, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, younger brother.
Okay, so this is looking good. It's on medium. We're gonna let that simmer. Yes, beans and corn are good to go.
Northern beans, one of the other reasons they call it white chicken chili.
Beautiful corn.
Corn.
Beautiful. Stir all this in.
How about some seasoning? Oh, sorry.
Ray's Rub, baby. So, Ray's Rub is good on so many things. What else do we use this on, Cole?
Oh, everything, man. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, repeat. Breakfast, lunch,
No, but seriously,
dinner.
the cool thing is this
Snacks.
recipe. All right, it's really actually looking very good.
Did you doubt it?
I didn't. So we're gonna thicken that up a little bit more. We added some more broth. I'm gonna crank up the heat, and just kind of let some of that liquid cook out. So then it's more of a chili and not a soup. So.
Yo.
Do the honors for us, buddy.
Yes, sir.
Ooh.
That's good.
Good stuff. So for the final touch, we're gonna squeeze a little bit of lime in there. Stir it up. Good work. It's great cooking with you, brother.
I know. Glad you got to see me.
Hey everyone, thank you for watching until the very end. So we didn't really close out the video. We had some camera trouble, but the chili turned out great. If you haven't tried Ray's Rub, reach out to me. You can email me at support@raysseasonings.com or jump on the website or any of the social. We have a discount code now, free sample, all caps, and I'll send free samples anywhere in the US. So we're just really excited about this product. My father invented it 15 years ago right here in West Virginia. So it is a West Virginia business. It's got so many herbs and spices, no sugar, no MSG, no gluten. It is as clean as we can get it. And it is just a top-notch product based right here in West Virginia. So please check it out. Have a great day.